Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be replacing the license plate lights out of my 2019 Chevy Silverado. I bought these lights from Amazon and they've kind of just crapped the bed recently. Not very happy with how long they lasted. They only lasted a couple of years. So lucky for me, I've partnered up with Boost Auto. They sent me some license plate lights that I'm going to be installing for you guys. Very quick and easy install. Just requires a 7mm on a ratchet. Take out the bolt and we can go ahead and install these license plate lights. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So diving underneath the truck, come to where your license plate is. And if we look up in here, you'll see that there is a 7mm bolt, and that's our actual license plate light right there. We're actually taking this entire harness out and replacing it with the Boost Auto one. It's just that one 7mm bolt, and this whole piece will come right out. All right, so now that we've got this actually dropped, we're gonna reach up here and grab this clip, pull it straight down. All right, so I've got it out. That's where the light bulb went in. So you just throw this clip, that's just like it would be the light bulb, which is the exact same kind of thing. And then you take that, you throw this in there, make sure it's nice and tight in there, like so. And then you can push these wires in there, push that, and then clip it into place like so. And then you just got to replace the bolt back into the housing up top. And since we're doing the passenger side right now, you want to look at the Boost Auto light. It's going to have an R on it for right. Make sure you are putting in the right one because they are dependent on which side you're using here. So this one is the new Boost Auto license plate light, and then this one is the older light from Amazon that I bought. You can tell that this one is flickering on this side, and then that one's staying steady, which it should, and then that one is way brighter than this one as well. So far superior for the Boost Auto one compared to the Amazon linked one. So let's go ahead and replace this one, and I'll show you guys some night shots. So I've got these lights in, and just a couple of things to note for you guys. When you are doing the install, I had a heck of a time trying to get those 7mm bolts out with just a regular ratchet. If you did have like a 7mm ratcheting wrench, I think that would work really well. Or if you had like a Milwaukee ratchet where it's electric and you can just put it on there and turn it, that would work really well as well. I just didn't really have the space to get a proper ratchet in there, but I made do and I managed to get it out anyways. Kind of annoying at the end of the day that you do have to replace the whole housing, but it's going to be a lot better in the long run with these housings. And I mean, it's just a clean fit at the end of the day. Do I really need to have like really nice and bright LED lights for my license plate? Like, who am I trying to show my license plate to? The cops? Doesn't really matter at the end of the day, but it's about having that nice aesthetic where those LED lights are just brighter, they're cleaner, they look really nice. I don't know why they make those yellow fluorescent bulbs these days anyways, so these are going to look way better. Those Amazon ones that I had on here before, they're a great option. They only lasted a couple years though, and I'm expecting these lights to last the lifetime of the truck. So they're far brighter, they're far superior, and it is definitely the way to go if you want to have that nice clean look on your vehicle. And also, if you guys are interested in purchasing these lights, I have a link down in the description below, or you can click in the top right hand of your screen. You can go ahead and purchase them from Boost Auto directly. If you guys like this video, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, take care.